Okay, this has been my day so far today, Friday. We've got 3 cars here for you to look at. HQ Monaro, VL Commodore I built a motor on, and a blown VR Ute. So enjoy. So, we've had a busy day. We've got the sniper all wired up. I had to go through the instructions and set it up. I'm quite surprised actually how easy they are to use. Once we got it fired up, like got the sniper set up, programmed it, turned the ignition off, turned the ignition on, she fired up straight away. And she sounds tough, really tough. So we got it, turned the ignition on, fuel pump on. Got to do a tune on it yet. I've got it on base timing, base idle, but I'm going to do a final tune after he runs it in. So much you can do with these Holly snipers, they're unreal. I mean, I didn't know anything about it before I started, but now I can't wait to play with it. Very responsive, very responsive. Has it got auto oil in it? How to get reversed? Very touch on the throttle. I'll have to fix that. I don't like the look of that trailer. Oh, that's in drive, it's full. It's got a broken engine mount, I think. I think it's got a broken engine mount. Here's another one we just finished. Full exhaust. OTR, extractors, dual 3-inch exhaust, starter motor, weather shields, engine mounts, everything. It's a nice car. You're going to get a dyno next?
I am.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
That sounds good.
Happy with it?
I am.
Thank you very much.
Happy once it's tuned.
Yeah, it's got a good size cam in, hasn't it?
It has, yeah.
I reckon it'll go good.
I reckon it should, yeah.
All right, well, don't get booked.
Thank you.
Thank you. No worries. Okay,
Bye.
bye. Right, now we're on to the Monaro. The Monaro's next. We're bolting Simmons up to it. We've got a list of work to do here. Handbrake cables, tune, service, fuel tank, fuel sender unit, fit the Simmons wheels, lower it. Okay, but we've also been busy on this. Now this came in for an exhaust, and when we put the exhaust on it, we noticed it had a big end knock. So we pulled the K-frame out. When we did that, we realized all the suspension was gone. It's a burnout car for doing burnouts. So I slipped a whole set of big end bearings in there, which I got off APM. I put in high performance bearings, and I very carefully and cleverly slipped a full set of big end bearings into this from underneath. I learned to do that years ago at Frank Brookings. So we've got this one finished, thanks to Ute. We also did a custom exhaust on it. New drive belt, got rid of the air conditioning compressor. This was loose, the bowl belt pulley was loose, we'll tie that up. We've done a lot of work to this. New engine mounts as well. A lot of work, so I'll have a video of that running soon. Over. Now, it's an old motor. It's got a lot of Ks on it, but I slipped the big end bearings in and it's not knocking like it used to. Listen to this turbo howl. Now all I want him to do is put some bigger injectors in it. He's got 1000 CFM injectors. I reckon if he put some bigger ones in for E85, he could let it rip. Thanks for watching Motormouth TV. Be sure to like and subscribe. Over.